both open. Good.
Y'all should hold it. Hold it for y'all can get a screenshot.
Hey, what you got?
Hold on, look. Hold on. All right.
Okay, I think sometimes you open the rest of it while I get it. Okay. Oh, here it goes. Look, guys. Wow. Look. I can't get all the stuff out for the stuff. So, look, guys. So, we got the instructions. Yeah. We got the cups. We got it. Yeah, we got these too. I don't know what these for. And we got this to build the stuff. So. Yeah. Our mom is helping me in the background, so don't worry about it. So we got these. That's phone glue. We got glitter, Jamona. I just picked our own instead of mine. Okay, here's the stuff. Here's this where you stare all stuff. Okay, let's open this stuff. Oh, Mom, don't say Mama eat the So she is helping us. So we're just gonna be opening stuff up. Open this. I can open it. The cup's already open, guys. So we can open that. Good. How? You know how to open this. Oh, this is so hard to open. Oh, I'm gonna be done. Oops. Look, Jamoni got this one. You got Poopsie. Glitter. Oh, wait. We got these. Look, so we got gold. Jamoni, look. Glass. We got silver. We got some stars. Yeah, we got pink. My face. We got some hearts. Look, oh guys, look. Guys, look. I hope y'all can see it. It's a little cat. Or a dog. That's a dog, I mean, that's a dog. And then we got a little poop. A little poop? Yeah, we got a poop. Yeah, we got a little poop, like. Did you get everything open? I wonder what these guys is. What color you picking, Jamona? This one. Look at that one. And glitter for me. Which pick? Hold. You know that color. What's this right there? Jamona. Close your eyes and peel her. Let me make sure everything in place. Hold up, wait. First pick this. Let's pick. Ooh. Let's move that out the way. Okay. That's my eyes. You must know everything what you picking, Jamona. No, you touch my eyes. I don't want this. It's so little bit. I know. Get that. Okay. Pick one. That's all I see. I see, Darcy. Okay. It's right over here. You got the dog in the I think that's the cup where we put our slime in, y'all. So yeah. Look, Jamona, you got this color. See, look. We got these. Oh look, we're not supposed to be messing with that yet. Now, look, Jamona, you got pink. Where's that? Oops, let me get. No, okay. Oh gosh, I love this good. I want this good too. Oh yeah, okay. It's my turn. Ooh, I'm scared. You scared? Close your eyes. I got this. I close my eyes myself. I hope I get this green. Jamona. I hope I get this one, or this one, okay? What about this green? Nuh-uh. This green looks good. I want this one. Okay. Which one is one I got? Let's move this out the way. Time for this. Because Jamona, since you got glitter, I can get glitter too. Okay? You get 2 glitters like me, guys. Okay, I know. Wait, put this out. Okay. You want this one and this one. Yes! And I got the up. So, okay, I got. Okay. So this is the mixer. Let's put this on. Okay. Because we're not done yet. Hey, what is this?
Who going first?
These 2 things.
Who going first?
Jamal, you can go first. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
let me open your thing.
So,
You gotta take the top off.
somebody helping us.
I just said our mom is helping.
Yeah.
So say you see her hand. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's
Ooh,
my-
that's okay. You want to put the water in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to be so careful.
We know you do.
Wow, Nike. Cute.
Let's get the water.
Let me pop it in, Mom. I will put it in.
Wait.
Yeah.
You pour it in right there. Keep pouring.
Okay.
Move, Jamal. Dynasty, let her do it.
Okay. Pour it.
Keep pouring. Slow down. Stop.
Okay, that's enough.
That's too much.
That's enough.
Okay. Then Jamona, you gotta start mixing it up.
Okay, let me mix myself.
Mix it up.
Hey, oh, you mix it like that. Mix it up.
I wonder how long. They were supposed to mix it up at 40 minutes.
How does time to be 40 minutes?
It looks like it's already turned into 2 minutes. I meant. It started up. Ooh. I think this is
Yep.
Did you break it?
Okay.
Let me do it. Okay.
No, let me do it. It's my slide. You can't do my hair.
Guys, I do not know what this is. I do not know what this is.
I can't. I hope it's done.
Ooh, let me get blue.
I can peek.
I don't know when it's 2 minutes. This taking real long.
Let me do it.
It's turning to slime, y'all. We'll be done. Huh? Back. We'll be back.
Go.
Whew, time. This take a long time.
Okay, let's get it out. Okay.
Wait, you gotta go slow.
Ooh, okay.
Get your scooper.
Just get the scooper and then just scoop it out. What please? Ooh, that's
It's gonna-
gooey.
It's gonna be good. That's right.
We
Let me see.
gotta somebody help us.
Yeah,
Guys, this is
it's our mom.
so
It's on me.
it's gonna get them. Ooh, it's got to This if you buy this, you need maybe like 2 assistants.
Yeah.
For you. You make 8 slimes.
8 slimes.
That's what the box said. It said you can make 8 slimes.
8 slimes. So,
Ooh.
Mom, can I do it now?
Now
You just do this. Mix it till you get your hearts. You gotta do this. Scoot your hearts up into
Okay.
it before it can get unsticky.
like that. That's just
Perfect.
getting on me. So this what I got, y'all. I got my poop. My poop emoji. I got my blue glitter. I really wanted this glitter. I really want this. But I got the blue. And I got my pink glitter. You need help?
Nope.
Okay.
Guys, this gonna be so awesome.
Yeah, when you take it out, you like just pour it.
It's gonna take a long time again.
It's not gonna take a long time.
Pour it in there.
Pour it in there, Jamona.
Can you do it?
It's scratchy.
Let me see.
It's real scratchy. It's like, our mom is helping her.
Yeah, but I can't.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
I know.
And then she'll pour it in this cup right here.
Yeah, Mom, because our daddy at work, so.
Got that out.
Wow. It's gooey. Yeah.
You gotta be still.
It's nothing.
Look at all that slime in there. Okay, Mom.
Wait.
Can I do it? Can I do it, Mom?
Wait a minute. You still gotta put your surprise in there.
Oh.
I'm ready for my poops.
I'm ready for mine.
Give it to her.
Here you go.
So I
Show them your surprise you have.
She has a dog. Yeah, put it in this. Yes, a dog.
That's a unicorn dog.
She got a unicorn dog. Now she gonna put it in there. Now mix it up, Jamona. Mix it up with your hands. Oh, goodness.
Mom is so big.
Just play with it. Play with it, Jamona. It's slime messy, girl. Slime messy. Yeah. Can we get some paper towel? She messed with this. I told her to mix it.
Daddy, why you tell me that for?
I didn't mean to.
You gotta let it sit.
Oh, we have to wait. So we have to wait till it sit, y'all.
Yeah.
Now it is my turn.
Yeah, Daddy's turn.
Now you gotta follow the
Here. It feels. So let's put this back.
Oh, look at this paper towel. Look like it's.
You gotta put your battery in.
Oh, so I'm putting my powder, my blue powder. I need some scissors.
Why I can't put my powder in there?
If you little, you got to do it like this.
I know how to cut it.
Don't waste
I
it.
know how to cut it.
Don't cut your finger. You got it? No. Give your finger.
It's not cutting.
Because you're cutting the wrong thing. You cut at an angle.
Oh.
No,
Pour
that's
it.
good.
No, you did yours. Let her do hers.
Now I'm going to pour it in. Ooh, it's not getting it.
Look at you got a lot.
You gotta turn it corner.
Yeah, let's get it. Come on, calm down. Calm down.
Alright, show me your glitter.
I got my pink glitter. Now, I'm going to put it in. I got an assistant to do that because I didn't really know how to cut it. So, now let's put it in.
Wow.
Come on. Jamona.
That's you wasting it.
Oops. Alright.
Okay, that's good enough.
Now, put the water all the way to this line. I hope I can get it.
You got to, no, you got to sit it down, level it. Go slow. You got to be able to see it. Move your hand. Slow down. A little more. A little more.
I think I'm put too much.
A little more.
Why are you so
There.
Now, where the mix bag at? Now, I'm going to mix it up. Why is this moving? Take me a long time.
Like mine taking a long time.
I'm going to leave that alone.
I try to feel this. It's trying to feel this good, or it's not. So it's a long time. It's slimy.
It's going to be slimy, girl.
Let me see.
Ooh, I think it's done now. Come on. Okay, oops. Take it. Oh, it's
Get it, Dad.
real.
Slimy.
No, you got to just get it off of there.
I don't really know how. It's not quite. It's not coming down.
Really dicey.
I'm trying to get it out.
You do it first.
Girl, I know you talking about now. You doing too much. How you be
Oh,
doing?
my sword. You put that.
That's a heart.
In my heart. Put a bit big here. So, guys, I was trying to put my heart back in here. Another heart. Oh my goodness, what is heart coming from?
How because will you mix it up?
What is heart coming out of my paper towel for? Another heart? Oh my goodness.
Joel, what you gonna name your slime?
Sparkly heart.
Sparkly heart.
Okay.
Sparkly heart.
That's your one thing. Hold on, dude. I got my chair, dude. So.
Put your surprise in there.
Okay.
Put your surprise in there.
So I'll put my surprise in there. There's a trick for the big.
I'm gonna shake this up, Mama.
Me guys.
Guys.
Okay. Let's just
Shake it, shake it.
pour
Shake it, shake it,
this
up,
in
shake.
here.
Guys, I'm shaking it
Oh my
up.
goodness. Oh.
That's Willie.
Don't say it really to me.
Who was
Right in the action. Come
your
back.
poopy?
Yeah, my poopy.
Now why you know, you shouldn't wait till you put your slime in there first and not put your poopy.
Don't tell me what to do.
Don't tell me what to do, guys.
Nobody tell me what to do.
Nobody tell me what to do.
Get that. Try to make sure everything is
Okay. So we gonna wait for ours when that's get done, cause that's don't know what her doing.
Girl, you know what you doing either. When you poured that water in, you're like, should do it overflow. I think I need my help from my mom.
Look at my slime, guys.
Girl, this is slime. It's it.
Look,
Guys, can help.
oh, y'all to see it. Let me see. Guys, let me use my slime.
This is pink and she got her doggy unicorn and she got her heart. Here you go.
My heart is pink. I think it's this dog.
It took like hours for mine, Tony. It actually supposed to be like 2 minutes. Jumana, you supposed to let it sit.
That's how I get this Mr. Doggy here. Mr. Doggy here.
So now, let's make sure. Feel like really slimy.
Why do you feel yours? Why do you feel yours for that?
I feel like my own, you know, our titi got slime and it feels just like that carbon too. So, ooh, I want to make a fart sound. That's cool. If you make a fart sound.
Why does make a fart sound?
So now, so
Now you gotta show me outside.
now, we'll take ours out. Ooh, ooh. How did it make a fart sound?
But you want me to take mine out?
It's on me.
Oh so guys, look at us.
It's stuck on my head. Ooh, it's stuck on my head too.
So guys, our slime.
It's done.
We have to mix it up.
Yes, we have to mix it up and make sure it get real covered. Right for like a minute
So
something. So
that slime so sticky.
what? Watching the video and make sure you subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Bye. See you on our next video.